Alright guys, this is my 2006 Dodge Charger. It's throwing a P0204 injector circuit malfunction code for cylinder 4. So, I've already replaced the injector. I know it's good. It was showing a solid ground at the injector plug rather than a pulsing ground like it does on a good injector plug. So I know the problem somewhere between the injector plug and the PCM. Now I've already had one bad PCM and I sent back the replacement because it started throwing this code again, and just out of curiosity, well, I got my third one and it's still throwing the code. But I've done a lot of testing and I just need you guys to help me verify that I'm doing this test right, and if you can suggest anything else other than the PCM. But everything I'm doing tells me it's the PCM. So here we go. I got my dual light test light here, and I'm going to connect it to the injector wire that I've undone from the harness and from the plug. So the video I saw on YouTube said that if I put a test light on this injector wire while it's connected to the injector and the plug, it should show solid voltage while the engine's running, solid voltage and no ground. Right now with the car off, it'll show a ground. The green light's a ground. So the video said if the engine's off, it will find a ground anywhere. So that's what it's doing. Now, I'm going to turn the engine on. And when I touch the test light to the injector wire now, it shows a solid voltage, but no ground. There's no ground in this circuit at all, which tells me that the PCM driver has been shorted out somehow. So that's what it looks like when it's got a ground. Now, just for show you what it should look like on a good injector plug. Right there, it's blinking. That's a good ground pulse from the PCM. What it was doing on the bad one is it was a solid green, so stuck open. But it's not from the circuit because the circuit's good. So unless there's a weak spot in the wire insulation and it's shorting out somewhere in there, it can't be anything else other than the PCM. So, any of my mechanic friends that are watching this, please give me your input, and if you have any suggestions that it's not the PCM and it's something else, but it's the only thing I can think of. Alright guys, thank you. See ya.